Hi friends, welcome to S&D Innovations. Today in this video I will show you how to make a wled display. So I have used a 8 into 8 matrix, a ESP8266, and you have to connect only 3 pin, the 3 volt, ground and D4. So first of all you require a frame in which the main 8 into 8 display I have used a RGB 8 into 8 display. So I have installed the enter display unit and ESP8266 in one frame to make it compact. So now I have to make the back part of the unit. So I have used 3D printer to print. After completing the back part, I will install it. So I have installed the back part of the unit. So with the help of this type of display you can connect directly with Wi-Fi and make different type of display, even scrolling text, different type of RGB light with different type of designs. So the build part is almost completed. Now I have to install the front part to protect the 8 into 8 RGB matrix. So the front part is also completed, you can see, and the last you have to install the diffusion plate. So the entire unit is made with 4 components: the diffuser plate, the screen protector, the main frame and the back part. So after installing all the component 4 part, the entire unit is completed and the build part is completed. Now I will connect with power bank, and you can see friend, now I will connect with the help of Wi-Fi. First power on your Wi-Fi. After that you will see wled Wi-Fi will come, wled AP. So you have to connect this. So after connection you can change any color wirelessly. You can make any pattern. So to build this type of unit you require a basic 3 component as shown in the video: 8 into 8 matrix, RGB matrix, ESP8266 or ESP32. In my next video I will show you how to connect ESP32 with wled and the entire installation part. So friend, I think this type of gadget is very much useful for different type of activities. So friend, I think all of you have liked this video, so please subscribe S&D Innovations and don't forget to press the like button. Thank you. Help me to increase my subscribers.